What is up, YouTube? It's your girl Michaela back at it again with another video. And for today's video, as you see by the title, you guys are going to be coming to work with me. And yeah, I know a lot of people want to know how it's like working at Walmart, and it's, you know, it's kind of good. So yeah, I'm just gonna be showing you guys how I do the cashier and what I do when I work. So sometimes I'll clean the carts, and then sometimes I'll do go backs. And go backs is when you put stuff back on the shelves. Like, you know how when you walk around Walmart and you'll see like a toy in the middle of a food aisle, we have to pick it up and then put it back. Or sometimes they'll just like throw it in these buckets and we put them on a cart and then put them back on the shelves. So that's what we basically do. And then yeah, yesterday was my first day doing go backs, but I have been working at Walmart for I think 2 weeks already, going on 3 weeks. So yeah. And if you follow me on Instagram, you already know that I've been worked at Walmart. But yeah, so yeah, we're gonna get started and I'm gonna show you guys how it's like working at Walmart. Stay tuned. All right, so I forgot to show you guys my work outfit, but I got on this sweater with some jeans and these Nikes. I'm just working in these for now, but cause I barely have time to get shoes. So yeah, I'm about to get my shoes tomorrow. Maybe I'll take y'all with me if the video ain't long enough. So yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. More visit. Done. We need to do. No, that's when I get my own crowd. We'll be doing driving vlogs and all kind of stuff. Okay, so I'm at work right now, about to clock in. It's 3:51, and I have to clock in at 9, but I can clock in right now if I want. I just can clock in like 9 minutes earlier. So yeah, I'm about to clock in. I'm just gonna act like I'm looking at myself. Okay, we're finna go in the back room. Dr. Benita, a jury, please. Wait, but the customers come to my room. Alright, so it's the next day. I'm currently at school right now, and since I didn't really vlog enough and like show you guys me going to lunch and like me cleaning baskets and stuff, they didn't have me clean baskets that day I recorded. It's like 2 days later, but yeah, I think they're gonna have me cleaning baskets today. I'll record myself cleaning baskets, and then I'll record myself doing go backs if they have me do go backs, because I barely do go backs. So yeah, still kind of looking rough, you know, but who cares? You know, you guys are my family. I'm gonna show you guys how I look, you know, when I wake up, so it don't matter. I have to start getting ready because I'm leaving in 15 minutes actually. I just gotta log in to class so she won't mark me absent and start getting ready. So yeah. Okay, so to wash my face I use hot water, and yeah, that's about it. I'm gonna leave at 1:15 and it's already 1 o'clock, so. So that's what I do with my face. Just a plain wash, you know? This water ain't too hot. because the water ain't even heating up that fast. But the water, it don't matter if it's hot or not because I have to go. Up. That's how I clean it. And then I do is put them off. Like about that much. Can you see it? Very. Now I just this is like the food I had in my braces. Right there. I don't know if you can see it, and like it's all around the sink, but I cleaned it out. So yeah. Okay. I just took what I found. That's my gums. Somebody commented, post more, you got 12,000 subscribers, you bugging. I was like, dang. He's like, I found you off my recommended page. I noticed y'all comments, y'all. I just don't respond to some of them. But yeah, I'll try to respond to most of y'all comments. But most of the people that be commenting now are bots on my how to make money video. Someone said I bought comments. Why would I buy comments? That's stupid. If that's the case, I would have bought my views or my subscribers. So now I ran out of gel. I'm just gonna like put some water in my hair. Now we'll slick it a little bit. Wet the brush a little bit. You know what I'm saying? I'm so glad I slept with my hair like already kind of done. Because they used up all my gel. Like, bruh. Now I can't go to school. Look what my hair did. Hey, I don't have gel, but I got some of this. This stuff right here. I don't know like how. This stuff gets watery over time though, so it's gonna mess up my hair, but who cares? Alright. So now I'm gonna, for my bun, I just wrap it up like that. Like my, yeah, you already know, my newborn baby cousin. So I'll look at it from the side and see how it looks. Looks kind of raggedy, but who cares? I gotta. Alright, so right now, I'm just wiping down my pants because they're kind of dirty. Like they have a lot of lint on them. So what I'm gonna do is take some tape. I'm gonna take some tape. And I'm just going to stuff that has like cartoon characters on it, like graphic tees, anything with logos on it, we can't wear that either. Just plain clothing basically. And it has to be appropriate. Not that really bad of a dress code. So yeah. Oh my gosh, there's a neighbor outside of my house. Scared the crap out of me. I thought it was. The neighbor now is up there looking all up inside the house. It's so weird, stuff be moving by itself in this house. But yeah, this is my outfit. Gray tee, black jeans, and my white Nikes again. Because those are my work shoes for now. I tried to go to the Nike store yesterday when I was off. No, was it yesterday? I think it was Sunday before I went to work actually. And they didn't have any Nikes in my size. Like, you know those little jogging Nikes? I want some of those, but they didn't have them in my size. And yeah, I was kind of sad about that. Oh, before I put on my shoes, I'll lotion up because my ankles is ashy and I'm showing them off today. So, got my book bag right here. Filled with my charger today and my earphone box. So I'm getting that. Because my ride is on its way. So yeah, that's my motion. And my vest will get thrown in my backpack too. Want my vest. Can't really see. I'm not gonna show you all day either until I go to work. I'm running really late. Rub this on my ankles real quick. Alright, so I'm at work, and if you're wondering why my eye looks like this, long story short, I know what myself in. So right now I'm on break. I was cashiering all day. I'm not gonna report myself cashier because I already did yesterday and I'm gonna get in trouble. So nothing. See, I just got me a soda. I ain't got nothing to eat though. So yeah. So right now they have me cleaning baskets. Now I'm just gonna push the baskets up. Trying to record, push these baskets up. Floor is slippery and stuff. Now I gotta push these little baskets up. I can't push them up, so I'm just gonna pull them up. Okay, I'm gonna push y'all up. This is what I do, like when I clean the carts, because I didn't show you guys how I clean the carts. So that's what I do. Peace out.